Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, your source for in-depth reviews and the latest in mobile technology. Today, we're exploring the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro, a device that is gaining attention in the mid-range segment of 2025. Samsung has consistently delivered high-quality phones in its A series, and the A57 Pro brings several upgrades that make it stand out. The first thing you notice is the premium design. The Galaxy A57 Pro features a sleek, matte glass back, smooth metal edges, and a modern form factor that feels both elegant and durable. It's a phone that looks and feels like a premium device, even in the mid-range category. Moving on to the display, the A57 Pro offers a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen. Colors are bright and vivid, blacks are deep, and the smooth refresh rate ensures a fluid experience whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or browsing social media. Sunlight visibility is excellent, making it a reliable display for outdoor use. Under the hood, Samsung equips this phone with the Exynos 1380 Pro 5G processor and up to 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless performance in gaming and apps. The phone handles heavy games, multiple apps, and everyday tasks without lag. The camera setup is impressive for a mid-range device. The primary 108-megapixel sensor captures detailed and vibrant photos with good low-light performance. The ultra-wide lens is sharp, and video recording is stable and smooth. Samsung's image processing ensures realistic colors and balanced dynamic range, making it a versatile camera for photography enthusiasts. Battery life is another strong point, with a 5000 mAh battery that lasts a full day on moderate to heavy usage. Fast charging ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time using the device. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro offers a compelling mix of design, performance, display quality, and camera capabilities. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking for a stylish and powerful phone without stepping into the flagship price range. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more updates on the latest devices, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the A57 Pro?